What's up, you guys? So we are here for the unboxing of the 151 Scarlet Violet. Look at this fresh new box. Alright, hopefully we can hit the top 10. At least one of them. I'll be happy with just one of them. Yes, yes, let's do it. Ooh. Good luck hat on, you know, Snorlax. Hopefully we get a pull Erica's invitation, you know. There you go. Fresh new set. Ooh, first time opening this 6 packs of loveliness. I wonder if they weigh any difference. Let me see. 0.9, 0.9, 0.9. 0.9, 0.9, okay. As we can see, they're all about the same. But here we go, here we go. We're gonna do this. What are you gonna do this? What am I hoping for? Secret Art Rare. Okay. Oh, let the magic happen. Let the magic happen. Let's go, let's go. Got this. Code card. One to the front. Let's go. Oh, first one. Energy. Yeah, electric. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. Here. Duran. Java. Diglett. Drowsy. Pidgeot. Let's go. Ooh, Bonita. Oh, double banger. And triple banger. 3 holographics. And 1. Great. Next one. Okay. Gold card. One to the front. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I saw something. Nice. Let's go. We can do this. Let's go. Oh, look at that Mew. Let's go. That's a banger. Growler and Venusaur EX. Nice. Stars. Amazing. Okay, let's go to the next one. Black code card. Let's keep it going. Bam! Alright, let's go. Whack! Energy. Let's go. More. Yep, no. Poliwrath. Ivysaur. And Diltree. Not bad, not bad. Let's keep it going. Card. Okay, let's go, people. Water. Abra. Diglett. Bill's Trainer. Hold back. Pidgey. Drowsy. Flisco. Beedrill. Cooper. Got you. Let's try this one. Last pack magic. Come on. Let's just rip it. Cool card. Fire. Let's go! We pulled a Venusaur EX! And a trainer! Let's go. Banger, banger. Okay. Let me know how you think I did. Let me know how you think I did. Beautiful.
Please hit that like and subscribe if you like my contents.
Till next time. Thank you.